Hello my friends, welcome to Joey's Tech. In this video I will show you how to create a new folder on Mac. I'm going to show you two ways to create a new folder on Mac. But first I would like you to hit that subscribe button because it helps and you are not going to miss out on such tutorial videos created by me. First, open Finder. I'm going to go to my documents folder to show you how to create a new folder inside it. Right click anywhere in the free space in Finder window. Here you are going to see new folder option. Click on it. When you create a new folder on Mac, it simply gives you an option to rename it by default. You can type the desired name and hit enter, and there you go. Here is your new folder. Now suppose you don't have enough free space over here and you cannot right click, simply go over to the Finder menu, click on File. Here you will get new folder option, click on it, and here is your new folder. These are the two easy peasy ways by which you can create new folder on Mac. And with this we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and take very good care of yourself.